Do you have your old class notes with you? Your old lecture notes with you? Any past papers? Do you have any class quizzes, holiday assignments, or any homework that you have been given? It doesn't matter whichever language it is written in, be it Swahili, be it English, be it Spanish, whichever subject you have, be it the primary school subjects like science, social studies, English, or do you have any lecture notes that you currently do or you did, any form of subject, then this video is for you. Stick around because I'm gonna be telling you how you can make money right now with those resources. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. As always guys, I always tell you guys, I got you. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you how you can make up to 1,000 shillings daily or more by selling your old class notes. I've told you guys, it doesn't matter whether it's your primary school notes, your secondary school notes, your campus notes, whichever notes you have, then this video is really informative. Make sure you like this video and subscribe as we get into it. This video, I want to tell you where you can sell your class notes, how you can earn by selling your class notes, who to sell to, where to sell these notes, how you can actually get paid, like where you're going to get your money and all those kind of things. So sit back and relax because I got you. So I discovered this website. It's called studypool.com. This is an online education platform that actually services students. So definitely, it contains students' documents and everything that a student requires for them to, prepare for their lessons or for their exams, generally for a student to study. This is how you're going to benefit. You're going to sell your class notes, or if you have any past papers, you can sell them on this platform. Also, you can assist people to do their homework, and you don't even need to be a teacher. This is a platform for anybody, as long as you've been to school. It doesn't matter whether you finished high school or college. As long as you've been to school, you have these documents, or you can assist someone do their mathematics homework or any kind of homework. You have notes for any kind of subject, then this website is for you. So let me tell you how you make money with this website. Okay, so you just need to upload your document on the website, and every time somebody buys that document, you get to be paid $10. Of course, you have to meet the requirements. Once you meet the requirements and your document is uploaded on Studypool, then you sit back, relax, and wait. It doesn't matter. This document can be sold to millions of students. For each student that buys your document, you get to be paid $10. And this is a website that has millions of students. So you can be assured that definitely your document is going to sell. There's always that one person looking for that document that you're sitting on, that you have. But anyway, let me make this clear that you only get paid once your document has sold. I don't want you people to come swallowing me at you didn't get paid. No, you have to be patient. Once your document is sold, then you get $10. And the beauty of this is that your documents can be sold even up to 1,000 times. Imagine 1,000 times $10. That is $10,000. By just uploading, this is like a part-time side hustle. You just upload your document and then you sit and wait for the magic to happen. So, okay, I know many people are asking, how can you sell the document? So it's simply very easy. You just go to Google and type www.studypool.com, and then you sign up. That is, you create your account and you're good. You get started like that. It's super easy to create an account on Studypool, and then you can upload as many documents as you can. In case you have so many, let's say you have so many files, so many assignments, you can add your documents to a zip file or folder, and then you upload them. Leave the rest to Studypool. It's going to sort out the documents for you guys. It's that easy. And there's no limit. You can sell as many documents as you can. And the beauty is, let's say in one day, a student buys your English paper and your mathematics paper. That means you've sold two things, and that is $20 for you. Also, another good thing is that it doesn't matter the kind of language that your documents are in, whether it's English, whether it's Swahili, whether it's whichever kind of language. Just upload there. There will be other students that are looking for the same file that has the same kind of language, and that's a plus for you. So whichever kind of document that you have, as long as it's a study document, just go and upload it. Do not worry about the language. Also, I mentioned that it doesn't matter whether it's typed or handwritten. There is no like hakuna ubaguzi. Whichever kind of document, you're good to go. Go there and upload. Okay, let me talk about what to sell on studypool. Okay, in case you're wondering what to sell, you can sell your old class notes. You can also sell your old lecture notes, your homework. You can also sell past papers. You can sell quizzes. Any kind of material that is used in school, you can sell it there as long as it will be of benefit to the students. And also you can go there, help students to do their homework, help students to do their quizzes, and get paid. So that means you can also be a teacher in studypool. And okay, this is not for teachers, guys. So if you're a student, you can go there and check out anyone that needs help in a certain topic, a certain assignment, and help them out. It doesn't matter the kind of school that you are studying. They don't look at the school that you are, and they also don't look at the subject, because some people may think it's limited to some certain subjects. It doesn't matter the subject, whether it's English, whether it's Swahili, whether it's those old school subjects, whether it's the modern subjects, whichever kind of subject. And also if you have topical questions for any exam, go and upload them there. I know this is a good opportunity also for those who are teachers, because teachers usually have these documents. So if you're a teacher, just take advantage of this. Go and sell those documents that you use for your students. And also if you're a student, share the documents that your teachers are actually giving you and start making money now. Okay, I know someone might be wondering how to withdraw their money. So it's very easy to withdraw your money on studypool. You can withdraw your money via so many things. They usually accept PayPal, they accept MPESA, they accept Western Union, they also accept TransferWise, they also accept Pioneer bank checks. Yeah, so don't worry about the kind of payment you're going to get. Just go and look at their methods of payment and select one that is suitable for you. So it's super easy to withdraw money from studypool, and they pay in terms of dollars, so you can convert that in your currency. That's the end of this video, guys. Hoping this video was useful, hoping you enjoyed to watch this video. Comment down below and tell me whether it was useful and what kind of videos do you expect to see. In case you have any question, ask in the comment section down below. I will be answering to all your questions as always, guys. Remember to like this video if it was useful, and I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.